Hi, my name's James Littlejohn. I'm one of the founding thinkers and software engineers behind Dsensor. So what is Dsensor? Dsensor stands for Decentralized Sensor Protocol, the goal being to put sensor data on a blockchain. So we've been brought up over the last few years with our Fitbits and other wearable devices, and us tinkerers, whether it's our Raspberry Pis with our ARM M chips or our Arduino tinkering boards, have been able to capture a lot of sensor data. And right now this will go into the applications coming with the sensor and then sync back to the cloud. We see an alternative future, one where the data captured from the sensor gets hashed directly back to your own private or micro mini blockchain, and from there you can make reference to a public blockchain. So how could we do this? We could do this in two ways. We can build a library for each microcontroller, and as the data comes off the sensor, hash it directly to your own blockchain. And secondly, we can do it through the application API, involve the data to go through some proof of work, which hopefully would reduce the risk of it being made up. But that's one part. The second part is then to make it bed it into a smart contract. So we're looking at the technologies of like fuzzy logic, so that when two parties enter into an agreement, let's say the temperature going up or down by certain degrees, we can then monitor the sensor data in real time via the smart contract, and thus allow economic terms to be adhered to. So one of the examples we're running through right now to show the power of this idea is that we have a project in Chicago putting a sensor, Arduino-based sensor network on each lamppost. So here you can envisage, street by street, block by block, neighborhood by neighborhood, we'll be monitoring the environment, CO2 levels, CO levels, nitrogen oxide. We also have this concept in the financial markets of carbon trading, which is restricted to the big corporates right now. But you could see a world where each neighborhood would be monitoring their data. They could then enter into smart contracts with their local polluters. So what happens here is the economic value goes back into the community, but more importantly we have actually a sort of tangible grasp on the actual environmental factors really going on in the world. Anyway, we're at the stage where we've been thinking about this for a lot, and put our ideas forward on dsensor.org. We're really looking for your participation, feedback on the idea, and we're trying to raise a little development fund, and so if you've got a few bitcoins and inspired by our project ideas, they would be gratefully received. Anyway, thank you for your time today, and cheers for now.